You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names and brand names in particular that many mispronounce, including from German, so stay tuned. In British English, this is usually said as Schneider. Yeah, I know it looks like it should be said Schneider, right? No, Schneider. In American English, it's similar as Schneider, Schneider. Now in German, if you're wondering, it's said as Schneider, Schneider as well. That's why it's German. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.